Hey Valley, this is a G67 tutorial on adding and subtracting positive and negative integers. This is G67 1.4a, 1.5a. If you take a look at this first problem, we have 3 plus a negative 1. Well, these are the different signs. This is positive and negative. So the difference between these two is 2, and we're going to keep the positive sign because this is more positive, it has a greater absolute value. This is the same as 3 minus 1. Simple problem, right? We've been doing that forever. All right, this next one, negative 10 plus 2. These are different signs, a negative and a positive. Different signs, we have to find the difference. The difference between these two is 8, and we're going to keep that sign of the negative because it has a larger absolute value, so it's a negative 8. The next one, 3 minus a minus 4. Well, 3 minus a minus 4 is the same. I'm going to just write it out like this, 3 minus a minus 4. We could just double shot that. Remember? When you subtract a negative, it's the same as adding, so that's actually 7. Negative 9 plus 7. These are different signs, negative and a positive. So we're going to find the difference. The difference between 9 and 7 is 2, and it is a negative 2. 8 plus a negative 4. Well, this is the same as 8 minus 4, right? 8 minus 4 is 4. If you want to think about it this way, different signs, we find the difference. The difference is 4. And it's positive because this is more positive. All right, here's the one I've been waiting for. This one I'm going to rewrite it. Negative 5 minus a minus 8. Kids get this one mixed up. There's just too many things going on here. First rule is to double shot it. Psh, psh. Now you've got negative 5 plus 8. These are different signs. So find the difference. The difference is 3, and it's positive. 8 minus 5 is 3. And it's positive 3 because this has a greater absolute value. It's more positive than this is negative. All right, here's another one just like it. Negative 4 minus a minus 9. You try it for a second. Psh, psh, double shot it. We actually have negative 4 plus 9. Find the difference. Different signs, find the difference. The difference is 5, and it's positive because this has a larger absolute value. 10 minus 7, I can think about that as 10 plus a negative 7 if you want to make it more complicated. Well, the difference there is still a 3, and it's positive because this is more positive than that's negative. Here we go again. Try this one without the rewriting on it. Negative 5 minus a minus 1. Well, we'll double shot it. Psh, psh. Now you have negative 5 plus 1. These are different signs. The difference between negative 5 and 1 is 4. And we're going to carry the negative sign. 7 plus 7, put that in there. That's a doy. Here we go. Negative 4 minus a minus 5. Try it again. Double shot. Psh, psh. Now we've got negative 4 plus 5. The difference between those two is 1, and it's positive because this has a larger absolute value. All right, last problem. Negative 5 minus a minus 3. Go ahead and try it. Psh. We've got to double shot it. Now we have negative 5 plus 3. Different signs, find the difference. The difference is 2, and it's negative because this has a greater absolute value. Thank you for listening. Please grab one of those practice sheets and do the page.